Welcome back viewers. Now in this video I am going to make you focus on the Endeavour OS wallpapers. So in Endeavour OS, when you install a fresh system, there is only one wallpaper, that is the default Endeavour OS wallpaper for that release. So different releases have a different Endeavour OS default wallpaper. Now there are ways to increase the number of wallpapers that are available in your system. Either you can use Variety. So Variety is a wallpaper manager, and you can download the different good looking wallpapers from a variety of sources, like the Fetch is there. Then you can do the wallpapers from NASA, from the Google Earth. There are many other wallpaper services that you can configure in Variety. The other option is to use the retro wallpapers from the Linux distribution that you have installed. So for in Endeavour OS case, there are wallpapers available from the older releases of Endeavour OS. So how to do that? So for that, the system given by Endeavour OS developers is very easy. You have to open your welcome app in Endeavour OS, and you can choose one of the Endeavour OS wallpapers. So hitting on this, what will happen is it will just open up the Endeavour OS wallpapers that are there. So first it will sync with the repos, and those repos will download the Endeavour OS wallpapers classic and the Endeavour wallpapers community, and those two folders will be installed in your user share Endeavour OS background. So these are the folders that are going to get installed in your Endeavour OS background folder in the system user share system folder. And this is the first one, wallpaper PNG wallpaper is the default Endeavour OS wallpaper that is default for the Cassini Nova release of Endeavour OS. Now what we have to do is, once this is done, you can open up your appearance section of the GNOME settings, and here you have to click on the add picture, and then you have to just go to other locations, computer. I will just maximize it, or we can just, okay, you have to go for the user. Then here in user, you have to go to user share, and you have to find out the Endeavour OS folder. So that's very easy. It will be somewhere here only. I will just Endeavour, we will just type Endeavour, and here is the Endeavour OS folder with the wallpapers. And then you have to just open it once, and that folder path will be copied, and all the wallpapers from that folder path will be available here. So you can see this many different wallpapers from the older Endeavour OS series or the retro Endeavour OS wallpapers are available here, and you can choose any one of them, and then just you have to install it. For example, I will just do it here. I will use this wallpaper, and now we will see how the wallpaper looks. You can see here the wallpaper is getting applied. Just a moment, I will switch off the tiling so you can see the wallpaper. So this wallpaper gets applied. Now if you want to roll back to the default wallpaper for the Cassini Nova or any other version of Endeavour OS installed on your system, then you have to just hit here and default wallpaper. So Endeavour OS default wallpaper, when I will hit here, it will just change the wallpaper to the default for the Cassini Nova that I have installed on my system. So it's very easy, and it is very comfortable to download the Endeavour OS wallpapers from the Endeavour OS repos and get it installed on your system, and you can configure the GNOME settings appearance section to include all those retro Endeavour OS wallpapers. And here there is another button, download more Endeavour OS wallpapers. So you have to use this button to download into the community wallpapers. So all those wallpapers repos will come, and it will be installed in the user share Endeavour OS wallpaper folder. So Endeavour OS is the folder for all the wallpapers. So all these community wallpapers, the older retro wallpapers, everything will come and that get installed in the Endeavour OS wallpaper, and you can just set the path to those wallpapers using the appearance app, and you have to use the add picture setting to do it. So it's very easy and very convenient to do the import of community wallpapers and other retro wallpapers from Endeavour OS repos into your system. So you can see it how it is working. I will just enlarge this, so you can see it here. It is cloning into the community wallpapers folder. So this is how you have to add the extra Endeavour OS wallpapers on your Endeavour OS system. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.